This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, burnt ham ends. Oh, you gotta love the internet and Facebook reels. I came across a burnt ham ends reel and thought, hey Miche, if you use the Fabu Memphis Mojo rub and the Hubster's special recipe barbecue sauce, you could make the best burnt ham ends ever to be eaten. I was right. This is an excellent use of leftover ham, and with so few ingredients and just a little time, it is perfect for parties and, you guessed it, holiday gatherings. Our rub isn't available yet, but we hope to get it on the market ASAP. Place orders for the fabulosity we already sell on our website and help us make more great products happen. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic. Okay? This looks so damn good. Get your damn barbecue sauce. This is really good. Come taste it. Burnt ham ends. Oh my God. What do you think? Yeah. Yep. This is amazing with your Memphis Mojo barbecue sauce. Let's eat.